Does your hair have a texture that kind of looks like this? Well, good news. You can make it look like this. Defined waves and curls. And you can get that look with one product, Scrunch It One&Done. It is an ultra hold cream gel where a little bit goes a long way. Just rake this one product in on soaking wet hair. And grab your trusty Scrunch It brush. This is the large clumps brush, and I'm going to section off the top part and save that for later because I always do the top part last. Now take your large clumps brush and go through your hair and get those big, juicy ribbon clumps. The ribbon clumps are going to help those of you like me who want a little bit extra texture in your hair, and it's going to really bring out those waves. And now for the top part, you're going to make sure you brush it straight up away from the scalp, and that's going to give you maximum volume. And then we start the diffusing process. And this is a little tip I use to get max volume. Again, I take my diffuser, put it to my scalp, and kind of pull it up. Look at that little ribbon clump. Isn't it so perfect? All right, back to diffusing. We all know this is a process that is literally a pain in the neck. But the scrunching out the crunch process is so satisfying. And then it leaves your curls and waves looking like this: shiny, weightless, defined, and it lasts all day long. Amazing.